Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to play some Call of Duty squads. So the match is about to begin and we are using the K7 custom as a gun, and the match is about to begin and I do really good at this map, so I think I'll get about 15 to 20 kills this match. So we'll just go from here and kill him. And we'll go here and we'll just run around and try to find enemies and kill them. Oh, we just got killed, so we are at 1 kill, and yes, now we are at 2 kills. I thought somebody is behind me and there was an enemy behind me and he just killed me. So we are at 2 kills and 2 deaths. So we are doing okay, but not good. We are in the middle category. Oh, how did we not kill him? At least he got an assist. So we are at 3 kills and we just break this down. How did that kill me? He's trying to break that. I'm not doing good at this map today. I don't know for what reason I'm not doing good, but I'm just not doing well. So I will not go that way. We'll just find enemies around somewhere here and kill them probably. So we'll just play it more smartly than we have been till now, and we'll aim more often than we have been till now. How did he kill me? I can't understand that. I think I should probably aim downside as the bullets go above the enemies and don't target him and I get killed. So I'll do that from now and see like this, and we got the assist and we are hurt, so we'll just run around here and try to survive. And we just got killed again, so we are doing really bad this match and we just got killed again. I don't know why I am getting killed. Yes, we got 1 kill. We just hide and we just reload our gun and throw it there and kill him. No, it didn't kill him, but it did some damage to him, I guess. We'll go from here. I think I should wait a little bit where like here and wait for some enemies to come so I can kill them like this. So that will be more good for our stats, as we are now at 6 kills and 11 deaths, and we are the third player in our squad, 3rd rank. We are at 3rd rank in our squad, and we just got killed again. And I'll do the waiting strategy now. For now, I'll just wait here for some enemy, and we just killed him, and we just got killed again. That's another thing, but we at least killed an enemy and we lost this match, so we can't end it on a defeat. So we'll just do another round for you, and I hope we can win that. So I don't know why all the names of the enemy team are Mota, or what's it's called, I don't know. how to pronounce it. So I'll see you in the next round. Back with another round of Call of Duty Squads, and this is the same match, and we are using the same gun, and I think we'll do better this time, and because this is the domination mode, and yes. So the match is about to be in 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. The match has begun, and no, this is not domination. This is a blitz. I think that's what it's called. And in this, we have to enter the enemy portal and defend our portal as well. So I'll go behind my teammate. I think he just got killed. No, he didn't get got killed, and we'll just enter the enemy portal. So we are at 1, and we are tied with our enemies, and we are 1 all, and we have just got 1 kill and 0 deaths. And we'll just help out our teammate by killing him, or trying to killing him, because we didn't succeed in our mission by killing him. We'll just be offensive for now, and then we'll defend our portal. Ooh. Now we are in the lead of by 1 point, and there's an enemy there, and we just killed him. And this mode is not about kills, it's about how many times your team enters the enemy portal, and you get the points on basis of your entering the portal and defending your portal. And this is not about kills, but you have to kill enemies in your way to the portal there. We'll just not worry about getting hurt. We'll just enter the. So our team just entered the. No, that was an enemy, not our team. So enemy team just scored, and we have lost the lead, and we are down by 1 point, and we'll just tie the round, tie the score, and we'll be defensive, and yes. So we'll just go around the another way for the portal, and yeah, we just made it. And I think I'll go and get 1 more point for our team. Now the round has been over. Now it's half time. I think we'll make a comeback in this round and probably win this. So this time I'll not be defensive anymore. Well, I didn't want to be defensive, and I what do you say that? Never mind. He'll be offensive again this time. And we just got killed. How am I getting killed again and again? I am shooting more bullets than they are, and I am not getting the kill. We'll just be sneaky and try to kill them from here. And we died again. I'm not happy anymore, because we are losing at the moment by 1 point. Why are you going the same way as I am going? Oh, we made it. So we'll just follow that round again, that way, and I think we can score more points for our team. So our team member made it through again, and
enemy SATCOM spotted.
We'll just kill him, and when it's now we are in the lead of 1 point, and
enemy team scored.
We'll go from there again, but we just got killed. So I think we shall go from there and try to succeed in our mission this time. And we just got, I don't know what that's called, but we just got that thing. So we'll go from here and change our route a little bit, and so we are losing at the moment again. Don't know why we are losing. So we'll just go for a team, yes, and we'll go from the same route as we, never mind. So I think we are gonna lose this time again. No, we have just died from the enemy team, and oh no, we just lost this round again. So I hope this is the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day. I think we'll come back in the next video and crush the enemy team. Thanks for watching. Peace out.